Welcome to Get Solutions. This is Lokesh. So in this class we are going to discuss the concept of acquisition or takeover. So before going to the concept, if you still not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, so please subscribe so that you will get my latest updated videos. So in the last class we have discussed the demerger concept and the types of demerger, that is spin off and split up. So in this class the next concept is nothing but acquisition, or it is also called as absorption, or it is also called as takeover. Okay, see, an acquisition may be defined as act of acquiring the effective control by one company over assets or management of the another company without any combination. See here the word combination. So where you have used this word combination, that is exactly in the amalgamation or merger. So what is amalgamation or merger? It is the combination of two or more companies to form a new company, right? So that is called as amalgamation. See, in this acquisition, without any combination of the companies, the one company is going to acquire the assets and acquire the management of the another company without any combination. So this process is called as acquisition or absorption or takeover. So here the company is acquiring the some or whole assets or management of the another company, that is only acquiring but not entered into the combination concept. Okay, so without any combination, the one company is acquiring the assets and management or control of the another company, then it comes under the acquisition or absorption or takeover concept. Okay, so in acquisition the two or more companies may be remain independent or separate legal entities. So the amalgamation is the concept, it is the combination of a companies to form a new company. But in case of acquisition, the companies are, that is the company is acquiring the assets and management and control of the another company but not to form a new company. So instead of forming a new company, the existing company will be going to take over the existing business. It includes business of the another company also. So that in acquisition the two or more companies may be remain independently. Okay, so both the companies are going to remain independently, and also it will be called as the separate legal entities. Okay, even after acquiring the control of the another company or acquiring the assets and management of the another company. Okay, so with the example I will going to show how it works out. See, in amalgamation the company A and company B is going to amalgamated into form a new company. So this is transferee company. So A company and B company is called as transferor company. So similarly in acquisition concept, so company A and company B is there. For example, assume company A take over the assets and management of the B company. Okay, so after acquiring the assets and management of the B company by a company, then A company will be going to carry out the existing business of B company. Okay, so here without any combination the A company is going to carry out the existing business of B company also. So this process called as acquisition or absorption. So this company, so this concept called as amalgamation or merger. So in the amalgamation both the companies are combined together to form a new company, right? So in acquisition concept the company will be going to acquire the assets and management of the another company, not to form a new company. So instead of not to form a new company, the company will be going to carry out the existing business of the another company by acquiring the assets and management of the another company. Okay, you keep it in mind, the difference between the acquisition and amalgamation. Okay, see the diagram of merger and acquisition. So in case of merger, there is a old company A and old company B. Okay, see, old company A and old company B is combined together to form a new company, is called as amalgamation. Okay, so in case of acquisition, you observe the old company A and old company B is not going to combine together. So instead of combining, the existing company will be going to take over the existing business, either A or B. So A ಆದರೂ business ನ carry out ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ B ಆದರೂ business ನ carry out ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. That is through acquiring the assets and management and control by the one company of another company. For example, assume if A is acquiring the assets and management of the B company, then A will be going to take over the existing business of B also. If similarly B company is going to acquire the assets and management of the business of A, then B company is going to carry out the existing business of A company also. So this process called as acquisition. Okay, so this is the slight difference between the merger and acquisition. Under merger, the combine, that is the combination, is the two companies going to form a new company, that is combining together, the both the companies are combined together to form a new company, that is under merger. Under acquisition, the companies are not going to combine together. So instead of combining, the existing business will be going to take over the existing business, either A or B. Okay, that is how, in the sense, by acquiring the assets and management of the another business or another entity. So in amalgamation also we have learned about the concept, that is the transferor company and transferee company. So the transferor company is nothing but, so which company is going to transfer the assets and liabilities to the another company, so that company is called as transferor company, which means the transferor company is a company, so which company is going to amalgamate it into another company, so that company is called as transferor company. And transferee company is a company into which the transfer company is amalgamated. So that is, the two companies are under amalgamation. So in this case, acquisition or absorption and takeover also, you have the two further concept. So one is acquired company and another one is acquiring company. See the diagram. Okay, so the old company A is there and old company B is there. Okay, so in this acquisition concept, there is no the word of combination, right? So the combination is related to amalgamation or merger. So in this acquisition, one company is going to acquire the management or assets and have the control over the assets of the another company. For example, assume A company going to acquire the assets from the B company. Once again, A company is acquiring the assets from the B company, then ultimately A company will be going to start up or taken over the business or take over the business of B company also. Okay, see, A company is purchasing the assets from the B company, then A company has a right to control the assets of the B company. Ultimately, A company will be going to take over the business. If suppose B company, okay, see, if suppose B company will be going to acquire the assets of the A company, then B company has a right to control the assets of the A company. Then which company will be going to take over the business of the organization? Which company will be going to take over the business? Ultimately, the B company will be going to take over the business, because B company is purchasing the assets of the A company, then B company only has a right to control the assets of A company. Okay, so in brief, next example we will discuss which is definitely acquired company and which becomes the acquiring company. See, acquiring company. Okay, see, acquiring company is a company or a single existing company that purchases the majority of the equity shares of the one or more company. So once again, the acquiring company is a company or a business organization or a single existing business or a company that purchases the majority of the equity shares of the another company, that is majority of the equity shares of the one or more business organization. Okay, how in the sense, for example, assume a company A and company B. Okay, see, company A acquiring the assets, that is majority of the equity shares of B company, then ultimately A company will be going to take over the business of B also, right? Then this A company is becoming acquiring company. This B company becomes acquired company. See the difference between acquired company and acquiring company here. Acquiring company, why A company is called as acquiring company? In the sense, because A company only purchasing and acquiring the assets of the B company, therefore A company becomes acquiring company. Then why B company is called as acquired company? In the sense, because B company will be surrenders its assets to A company, therefore B company becomes acquired company. Here A company purchasing the assets of B company, therefore A only take over the business of existing A company business or management and also B company business. For example, see, there is a company, this is another example, and B company. See, in previous example, A company is purchasing the assets of B company. Then A company becomes an acquiring company and B company becomes acquired company. So in this example, assume company B is acquiring the business, that is company B is purchasing the majority shares of the A company. Then which company is going to take over the business or existing business? Ultimately B company is going to take over the business of existing B business and also A company business. So then this B company becomes acquiring company and A company becomes acquired company. Why means, because A company is surrenders its assets to B company. Then B company is purchasing the assets of A company, therefore B company becomes an acquiring company and A company becomes acquired company. So this is the difference between acquired company and acquiring company. Let's see the meaning. Acquiring company is a company or a single existing company that purchases the majority of the equity shares of the one or more business organization. That means acquiring company is a company, so which company is purchasing the assets and purchases the majority shares of the another company, then ultimately the particular company is called as acquiring company. So similarly, the acquired company is nothing but, acquired company is those company that surrenders the majority of their equity shares to an acquiring company. So which company surrenders their assets to another company called acquiring company, so that particular company is called as acquired company. So in previous example we clearly know that which is acquired company and which is acquiring company.